Sometimes you just need to pause for a while because life is not always happy. You have to go through some ups and downs, but always remember, just trust God in every storm that you are going through. God is the only one who will make a way. Basta tiwala lang kay Lord at huwag kang mawawala ng pag-asa. Tama sila, ang buhay ay napakaiksik at wala itong rewind. Kaya kung may pinagdadaanan ka man ngayon o nasaan ka mang lupalop ng mundo, lagi mong piliin na maging isang mabuting tao. Dahil pagkatapos ng dilim ay mayroong liwanag. This is your diabetic mama, Mama Cynthia.